I'm on a 2019 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how you would open your hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down. You should see a safety release here that will pull. That pop sound, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing. And behind here, if this is just completely loose, double check this cable here is connected. If it's not, that might be something you need to address. But the hood should be slightly loose now. So feel through here, and there's this lever, so we're going to push and lift. Push and lift. And pull this arm up. Sorry for the camera, but now I've got this arm here to hold it up. This is what that little lever looked like it was pushing. So this line leads around to here. So double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in there. If any of this is sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. And here's where it's hooked on to. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause issues too. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.